Well, that Great Britain has just committed to this tactic of softening up the sprinters' legs every time around and hoping that Watson makes it over in the first group, in the final lap.
I hope Binyam Girmay is looking at this. The speaker's going, Eritrean music blasting out. What an atmosphere. There's a real chance that on Sunday they will be cheering on for the world champion. Let's see. So here we go, heading up towards the climb yet again. They'll be ready for this now, those in the break. Eritrea, a cycling mad nation, is ready for success at the highest level. They've had it this year with that stage from Girmay at the Giro d'Italia, the win of Kent Wevelgem. And this race may have representation without having one of the favourites on paper. But it's certainly in the men's elite race where they stand a real chance.